Quintin, in your keynote address here at the annual OSJ conference, you provided a near-term outlook for the OSV market. So where is the market headed over the next 3 to 5 years, in your opinion?
So I expect 2025 to be a very good year. It'll probably be the best year we've had in the past 10 years. The growth from 24 to 25 is not going to be as strong as what we saw from 22 to 23 and from 23 to 24. So I expect 25 to be a really good year, but probably not as good as we were all hoping a year ago. However, I anticipate that 26 and 27 are going to be much better years as additional rig activity increases in those years.
Okay, thank you. Also, you mentioned that the challenges of a buoyant market in the OSV industry. So what do you think are some of the challenges for owners currently and in the future?
The challenges for owners is to stay balanced and to stay capital disciplined. It's very easy to get excited about increases in activities globally. And we need to make sure that we're focused on getting the right return for our investments, because allowing us to get the right return on our investments enables us to have the money to provide the training, the safety, and all of the reliability features on our vessels that are necessary. Okay.
And how can the OSV industry sustain the current super cycle?
It has to be capital discipline. By making sure that we don't get ahead of ourselves from a capital capacity standpoint, that we don't add too many boats to the current fleet. So constantly focus on making sure that we're balanced in what we're adding to the fleet and what we're taking away from the fleet on a global basis.
And where does Tidewater sit in these markets at the moment? Is there room for new builds?
Not yet, not for us yet. I mean, I do like where the market is at today, but we're not at the point where we're ready to commit to any new build constructions. I want to see a little bit more strength in the market before we do that.
Okay. And what would you like the industry to take away from your presentation here?
I want them to take away the fact that we're in a really good spot from a cyclical standpoint, but we need to be measured in what we do for the next couple of years to make sure we stay in that good spot.